In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to add Cash App to Wells Fargo and whether or not it is possible to do this. You might be curious if it is possible to link these two services together. Well, as you might be aware, Cash App itself is not a bank account, but rather a service that allows you to transfer money and make payments. Now, because of this, about the fact of Cash App not being a bank account, you will not be able to add Cash App to Wells Fargo. So to answer the question in the title of this video and get this out of the way, you won't be able to directly link Cash App to Wells Fargo. So in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative. You will still be able to link Wells Fargo to Cash App, but you can't do the opposite. So keep that in mind. If you are willing to do the opposite, which is what I'm going to show you in this video, then it is possible to get these services linked, but Cash App cannot be added to Wells Fargo. So with that warning out of the way, what you have to do to add Wells Fargo to Cash App is to open the latest version of Cash App, and in there, go over to your profile. So tap the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Under your profile, you will be able to scroll down and find linked banks. When you go over to linked banks, one of the options is going to be Link Bank, and all that you have to do now is follow the on-screen instructions. This is going to allow you to browse through various institutions, including Wells Fargo, and you either select Wells Fargo and sign in with your account, or alternatively, enter the Wells Fargo bank routing and account number manually. Once you include those details, the bank is going to be linked to Cash App, and now you can add cash or cash out from Cash App to Wells Fargo. But the opposite, where you want to add Cash App to Wells Fargo, cannot be done. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the differences of these services and why you can only add Wells Fargo to Cash App, but not the opposite. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to add Cash App to Wells Fargo, please remember to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.